Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to timestamp iPhone photos. Here are the steps to view and use timestamps for iPhone photos. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Navigate to the album containing the photo you want to check. Tap the photo to open it. Swipe up on the photo or tap the info eye icon at the bottom. You will see the date and time the photo was taken. Swipe down to see additional info like location, camera, and settings. If the photo is edited, note that the original timestamp remains intact. To share the timestamp, tap the share icon. Choose copy photo or share via messages, mail, or social media. The timestamp will be visible and metadata if the app supports it. To add a visible timestamp directly on the photo, download a third party app like Timestamp Camera. Tap Get, open the app, and allow it to access your photos, maps, etc. Just tap Allow on this pop up menu. Go to Gallery by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner. Then choose the photo you want to stamp to. Now, it will display the date and or time directly on the image. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.